Good morning, children. Today we will read the answers of lesson number 4 E part. In our previous classes, we have completed A, B, C parts and then D part also we completed. The lesson is Animals Our Friends. Now we have to do the answers of E part. So first you take out the questions of E part, and that is here. A, B, C, D we have already done. First you see, first question of E part is state any 5 ways in which animals are useful to us. You all know, children, that animals are very useful to us. We should protect them. So here you see what is being asked. You have to write 5 ways in which animals are useful to us. So take out that page where the usefulness of animals was written, and usefulness of animals was written. Take out this page. This is about animals trained, wildlife here. Here on page number 39, you just see on page number 39, the usefulness of animals are written. You have to write 5 points. So, you will write, in the beginning you will start like this, following are the usefulness of animals, or animals are useful to us in the following ways. 5 points you have to write. First point, what you will write? Silk and wool that are used for making clothes come from silkworm and sheep respectively. Then second point you will write leather obtained from the skin of animals like goat, sheep and buffalo is used to make shoe, purses and bags. Next you will write third point, pearls used as jewelry are obtained from oysters. Fourth point you will write, many types of fish, prawns, lobsters and crabs are used as seafood. As they are found in sea, that's why they are known as seafood. Then the last point you will write, you have to write, although 6 points are given, but you have to write only 5 points because only 5 points have been asked in question. So fifth point you will write, animals like horses, camels, elephants are used as means of transport. So E first answer you have to write these 5 points. Now come to E second question. For that you just take out E second question, that page that is here. Second question is differentiate between extinct and endangered animals. Give 2 examples of each type. You must be knowing which animals are known as extinct animals. The animals which are no longer living on the earth are known as extinct animals. And which animals are known as endangered animals? The animals which are about to become or which are going to be extinct. Their life is in danger. They are available on the earth. They are present on the earth. But maybe after few days, after few years, after some times, they will disappear from the earth and they will also become extinct. Now, in this answer only, you have to write 2 examples of each type. Examples of two examples of extinct animals and endangered animals you have to write. So, how you will write? First you will draw one line One vertical line you will draw. In tabular form, you have to write the difference. Vertical line you will draw. Here, this side you will write extinct animals at the top. This side you will write endangered animals. Then in extinct animal, first point you will write, take out here. It is written in the previous page, yes. Here, extinct animals. In extinct animals, first point you will write, extinct animals are those animal species which are no longer living. What you will write in first point? Extinct animals are those animal species which are no longer living. And in extinct animals only, second point you will write. For example, any two animals name you can write. You can write whose spelling will be easier for you. Either you can write Tasmanian tiger, quagga, passenger pigeon, golden toad and Caribbean monk seal. Any two you have to write in the example. Now you will take out endangered animals. In that column, as I have told you, in tabular form you have to write the difference. In between you will draw one line. One side extinct animals and another side endangered animals. In extinct animals, 2 points I have told you what you have to write. In endangered animals, you will write endangered animals, first point in endangered animals. First point you will write, endangered animals are those animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct. First point will be this only. Endangered animals are those animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct. And then second point you will write, for example. For example, you can write here many endangered animals are given. Any two you have to write. You can write African elephant or Bactrian camel or bald eagle, golden lion, tamarin and panda. So it was the answer of E second. 2 points you have to write. Differentiation means you have to write the differences. Now come to E third question. What is E third question? You just see. It is, what is wildlife trade? Why is it harmful? Wildlife trade means, I have told you children, some animals are being illegally hunted and killed to sell their body parts because their body parts are used by human beings. And why it is harmful? Because due to wildlife trade, many animals are on the verge of becoming extinct, or those animals are becoming extinct or they are endangered animals, and then whole wildlife will be disturbed. So you just see where is the answer of what is wildlife trade. Take out that page where it is written wildlife trade. Here you see on page number 41. Page number 41 you see. Here it is written, in many parts of the world, wildlife is in danger because of many illegal hunting and poaching activities. There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. This is known as wildlife trade. So what you will write? The illegal hunting and poaching of animals to use their body parts by humans is known as wildlife trade. Again you listen. The illegal hunting and poaching of animals to use their body parts by humans is known as wildlife trade. This question is in two parts. So answers also you will write in two parts. After writing this first part, you will change the paragraph. And what you will write in that next paragraph? Wildlife is harmful because due to it, wild animals are becoming extinct or they are endangered animals. This is only the answer of E3. Now take out E4th question. E4th question. Here you see. Here suggest any 4 steps to prevent cruelty to animals. In your lesson you have read how we can prevent. Prevent means stop. Cruelty, merciless behavior which we are doing towards the animals. That is only cruelty. So how we can stop this cruelty to animals? So many steps have been suggested. You have to write any 4 steps in E4th question. So just you take out where it is being written about. Here you see. Here is what we can do to prevent cruelty to animals. This is on which page? Page number 44. Here you can write following 4 ways can be suggested to prevent cruelty to animals. How many ways are given? You see, there are 7 ways. 7 steps are given. You have to write only 4. So what you can, small points you write so that you can remember it, learn it nicely. First you will write, here in question it is written do not throw in ordering form. But you will write in accepting form that we should, do you don't write. Here you will write we should not throw polythene bags in the garbage as stray cattle can swallow them and they may die. Next you can write we should not put birds in cages and fish in aquariums. They feel trapped in small spaces and their lifespan gets reduced. Third point, you can write when visiting a forest, park or garden, we should not remove eggs or birds from their nest. Then these points are a little bigger. So the last point, 4th point, you can write the last point. Visit and we should visit and support our local animal rescue organization. These are the 4 ways to prevent cruelty to animals. Now last question of this lesson. Some wild animals are hunted because their body is considered useful by man. Give 4 examples of such wild animals. Also mention the part of the body which is used in each case. We all know that is wildlife trade. Why wildlife trade is there? To use the body parts of the animals by human beings. Here that is only being asked that why the wild animals are being hunted. You have to give 4 examples of such wild animals. And you have also you have to write this also, that which body parts are used of that animal. For that only again you take out this page. Here this is, yes, this is which page? You see which page it is? Page number 42. Here it is written on page number 42 and 41. Here it is. Let us find out which body parts of various animals are being used for trading. You can write 4 animals. First you can write elephants are hunted for their tusk. point you can write, North and South American bears are being killed for their gallbladders. Third point you can write, rhinoceroses are being slaughtered for their horns. And fourth point you can write, musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi. These are the 4 points which you have to write in each fifth answer. Children, I will give you PDF, answers in PDF form also, that you have to copy down in your science notebook. These E-part answers which PDF I will give you today. You will copy down it in your science notebook and then you submit it on our WhatsApp group. That is only your today's homework. Now some value-based questions. In every lesson you have seen, value-based questions are being asked to inculcate moral values in you. Just you read what is the value-based question in it. Adya. Adya is the name of a girl. She is a student of class 5, like you all only. Had a senior lady, Madam Mehani, as her new neighbor. Means one new neighbor has come near Adya's house and that neighbor is senior lady, means of his grandmother's age. That is Madam Mehani. She had a young puppy as her pet. This Madam Mehani had a young puppy as her pet. Adya noticed that Rashi, her helping hand, Rasi helps Madam Mehani, would take care of the puppy. Rashi, who helps Madam Mehani, take care of the puppy. She would take it for a walk in the morning and again in the evening. Rashi takes the puppy for a walk in the morning also and in the evening also. She would feed it proper puppy food. What is the puppy food? That she would feed at regular intervals. Adya soon became friends with both the puppy and Rashi. Rasi also became friend of Adya and Adya became friends with puppy also. She would also help the senior lady to the extent she could. And Adya started helping the senior lady, Madam Mehani, also to the extent she could. After some days, Rasi had to go on leave as she was urgently needed at her home. Rasi, who was the helping hand of Madam Mehani and who was taking the care of puppy, had to go on leave. Then Madam Mehani became a little panicky as she was not strong enough to take the puppy for its walks. Means then Madam Mehani thought that who would take puppy for morning and evening walk, because she was aged person, she was not able to take the puppy on walk. Adya, however, assured her that she would do the needful and help her to the best possible extent. Then Adya assured that lady, Madam Mehani, that she would do the needful and help her to the best possible extent. She requested her mother to take care of the puppy. Adya requested her mother to take care of the puppy in the morning as she had to go to her school. In the morning, Adya goes to school. That's why she told her mother to take care of puppy in the morning. Her mother appreciated her helpful nature. Her mother also became very happy to see the helpful nature of Adya and her concern and empathy for others. The mother and daughter helped Madam Mehani till Rashi came back. Rashi had gone to her village. When Rashi came back, till that period, Adya and her mother helped Madam Mehani because Madam Mehani was very old aged lady. Both Madam Mehani and Rashi thanked Adya and her mother for all the help and care they provided. Whatever the help Adya and her mother provided to Madam Mehani and the puppy, they thanked. The puppy also seemed to be thanking them as it wagged its tail and played with Adya Puppy also, you see, it is puppy. Puppy also thanked Adya and her mother. Now you see the questions. These questions you will not write in your notebook. Just to explain, just to inculcate the moral values, I am telling you, but you will not write. State the values displayed by Adya that you would also like to have. Which value was displayed by Adya? Helping others at the time of need. We should always help others when they need us. Then second question you see, have you ever had a chance to help a senior citizen? You have got the chance, children, to help senior citizen? Or have you helped your grandmother, grandfather, anyone? If yes, then when the school reopens, you share your experiences with your classmates. Then third question is, do you think that a pet is likely to be a good companion for a single senior citizen? Means what do you think, children? If any old aged person is living alone, then pet is a good friend or not? Yes, of course. Pet can become a good companion for a single senior citizen. So, it was value based question answers and something to do already in our previous class. I have explained and you have done in your book. Now E part you complete it. This is your homework and then submit it on our WhatsApp group. No need to write these value based questions. Repeatedly I am telling you. Only you write E part question answers. Answers will be given in PDF and then you submit it on our WhatsApp group. That's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.